The last video you might have watched might have seemed random, but it was in preparation for what we're doing today, which is division of complex numbers. There's many ways to divide. We looked at them. If you need to, go back and look at that video again. Basic types of division are 10 over 2. That's 10 divided by 2, which is 5. Or 10 over 12 means 10 divided by 12. So we could factorize the top, factorize the bottom, and now that we have it factorized, simplify. Or there was a thing where we rewrote the number 1 over root 3. So that's 1 divided by root 3. But the calculator, when you look at your calculator and press equals, if you type that in and press equals, it turns it to this. They're the same thing. They're just written slightly differently. And the reason that they wrote these ones slightly differently is they don't want to have an irrational number on the bottom. They want a rational number on the bottom. That's just the way your calculator is programmed. How they got from here to here is they strategically multiplied by the number 1. So all of that is in yesterday's video. It is all just either primary school reminders or just a new way of looking at fractions and how to rewrite a fraction. What will they ask me to do for division here? Now we're going to spend the week of, about 3 to 4 days on doing this. So don't worry if you're having difficulty at the start. It's not an issue. Just keep working at it, keep asking questions until you get it. So you could see 5 plus 10i over the number 5. That might be a question. And they might say, write your answer in the form some number plus another number times I. Now there could be a minus there, that's fine. So they might ask you to have it in this form. Now, if you look at them, that doesn't look like that. So what do we need to do? We need to use our primary school methods. And I would start off with, just can I divide in? Or maybe can I factorize the top? Well, what number goes into both of these? Now, is that the same as that? Yes. And then factorize the bottom, 5 times 1. And I end up with 1 plus 2i over 1, which is just 1 plus 2i. Now it's in the form that they'd like. So these two are exactly the same thing. It's just this is the form in which they asked for it in. Could you have just gone 5 into 5 goes once, 5 into 10 goes twice, 1 plus 2i? Yeah, you could. This is the stuff that you were doing in primary school. You're just doing it with your new numbers, which are your complex numbers. Another example. What if you saw 12 minus 9i over 3? Well, again, I'll always try my basic primary school stuff first. If that doesn't work, maybe I'll have to strategically multiply that by the number 1. But where I can, I'm going to just do my division. So you could go 3 into 12, 3 into 3, or you can go try and factorize the top and factorize the bottom. That's actually what you're doing when you're doing your division. So what do 12 and 9 have in common? They have 3. 3 times what gives me 12? 4 minus, and it would be 3i. Okay, and just look there. I haven't changed the question. I've just rewritten it. And again, I'm not changing the bottom line. 3 is the same as 3 times 1. And now I can simplify. And I have 4 minus 3i, which is in the form that they want. Some number and another number times the I.